Hey everybody, it's Paul Lavoie, Connecticut's Chief Manufacturing Officer. I'm here with Barb Dimauro. She's the Executive Director of ManufactureCT, one of the state's leading manufacturers associations. You know, it's very, very confusing here in Connecticut. We have so many programs that we offer to support our manufacturers. In fact, the Office of Manufacturing is running 36 programs that help support our manufacturing sector. And it's confusing. The programs are confusing, the rules are confusing, and there's just a lot that we can do to be able to help your business. And we understand it may be a little bit overwhelming if you're a manufacturer here in Connecticut. So Barb came to me with this terrific idea to help it be a little bit less confusing. So Barb, tell everybody a little bit about what your idea is and what we're going to be doing.
Well, we're going to be holding a great new event called ManufactureCT Connect. It'll be April 18th at the Bristol Event Center in Bristol, Connecticut. And we're just going to have a full day of connecting manufacturers to all of the resources that are available and really try to make it a one-stop shop for everything that you need.
All right, so April 18th, 8 to 4, Bristol Event Center. We're going to have a lot of the resources that are available to you. You can come, bring your team, bring your HR people, bring your finance people, bring all your team. They can engage with all of the people that are here. They're here, all of the people that are here to provide resources for you to be able to help you grow your business. And we're talking about things around workforce development, driving innovation, and reducing the cost of doing business here in the state. So hope to see you on April 18th. This really is for manufacturers. So we hope to see all of our manufacturing partners there. And again, thanks to Barb for this idea. And we're really looking forward to an exciting day. Thanks, Barb.
Thank you, Paul, and thank you for supporting this event. And just remember, it's absolutely free for all manufacturers to attend. So we hope to see you all there.
Great point. Thanks.